Please us, but we want to. Please invite us. Help me.
Bless you.
Bless you.
How do you say bless?
We, give our trauma, we get something back.
Bless you.
아이고.
Milk tea, drink milk tea. Milk tea, milk tea, just for me.
배달 음식.